He's making me eggs. Look at that. Yes, boys, look at that. This right here, boys, shakshuka. And then this, bro, this is the most random. Little bit of this, little bit of that. Breakfast. Yes, boys, alhamdulillah, I just completed my first Jummah here at Masjid Al-Haram, bro. Yeah, I'm roasting. I'm sweating all over my Jummah, but oh man, I love it, bro. But I didn't bring my shades. The one thing I forgot, my iconic shades, I didn't bring them. I'm gonna get some Zamzam water because my throat is gone. So thirsty, bro. Yes, boys, drinking some Zamzam water now. It feels so nice and refreshing, bro. This is beautiful. Boys, it's absolutely mobbed right now. It is mobbed. Packed. Look at all these crowds. Right now I'm just going to the shop because I gotta get sunglasses, bro. I'm going blind. Hey bro, look at this. Toby Maguire, pizza time. Boys, look at this drink shop right here. I'm gonna get some fresh juice because my throat is gone. We got great coffee. Look at all this fresh juice. It's absolutely mobbed. Hearing my man screaming in the back. Yes boys, look at that. Mango juice, come on. Alright, let me try this out. That is so nice. Yeah, nah, boys, 100%. That is a 10-10. This juice. Look at these phone cases, bro. Man said LV, you know. Yes, boys, just prayed Isha right now. I'm so sleepy, bro. I'm cooked. My throat is so dry. I'm so sleepy, bro. I think I'm dehydrated, you know. So sleepy, bro. Boys, honestly, this place is unreal. It's so cool as well. It's nighttime. It's not even hot. It's just, oh, bro, there's like a cool breeze. I'm loving it here, bro. Walking here, bro, is so surreal, honestly. Yeah, alhamdulillah. Yes, boys, managed to secure some Zamzam water. Some random guy just nodded at me, bro. Shout out to him. Yes, boys, I just prayed Zohar now. It's literally the next day. I still didn't buy the shades, bro, because I slept off last night. So I need to buy them today because I got cooked again. Yes, boys, I just went and copped a new Jubbah, bro, a new thobe. Look at that, bro. I'm looking fresh. I still not got my sunglasses, though, but I got a fresh new thobe, bro. And it fits nicer as well, because the other one was a bit big, bro. But this one fits nice. Come on.